Breathe normally. Focus over third eye. Focus over intellect. Focus over Agya Chakra. Focus over the power center of the intuition, power center of the knowledge, power center of the thinking, power center of the controlling of the life. Third eye, pineal gland, energy center, intellect. It may be here, maybe somewhere else, but simply we have to assume that there is something great which we called it as Agya Chakra, third eye center, intellect, pineal gland, powerhouse, something great, focus, focus, filled with mindfulness, focus over third eye. See, my mind is at the state of mindfulness of observing the third eye, and I am aware of it. I am aware about it. I am awareing that thought of mindfulness, that state of mindfulness about this action of mindfulness, focusing over third eye. Observe, observe. See, my mind is observing my third eye, and I am observing this action. In my very presence, this action is happening, and I am just observing it as an observer. Yes, this is the ultimate state, or maybe the higher state, or superior state, or subtler state, or even the beginning state of the mindfulness. That in my very presence, mindfulness is happening, and my mind is observing over the third eye, and I am observing this whole phenomena as an observer, with full potential of the mindfulness. Now relax, relax, relax. Mind is observing the intellect or observing the third eye, the Agya Chakra. Now simply relax. Leave this observing part. Now don't observe anything. Not the third eye, not the body, not the surrounding, not the mind, not the breath. Simply be in this very moment, now and here, with your full potential of the mind, with the capacity of the mindfulness. Now don't observe anything. Simply be in this very moment of now and here, now and here, now and here, now and here, in this very moment of surrounding, of this very existence, as a simple being filled with mindfulness, 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 mindfulness. Relax, relax, relax. Shant, shant. Now deep breathing, inhale, exhale through nose, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax, shant. There is no observing part. There is no any action. Simply being in this very moment, now and here. Just allow yourself, allow your mind, allow your body, allow your senses to flow anywhere. But simply grow into the capacity of being in this very moment with your full potential of mindfulness, awareness. Be here like a sun, and rest is happening, like earth is moving, moon is moving, each and every planet is moving, but sun is there, moving now and here, but simply growing into the capacity of mindfulness. Just a metaphor. Like I am sun and I am moving at one place by simply being as an observer, as a witness, as a mindfulness, as growing into the capacity of mindfulness. Relax, shant, shant, relax, shant, shant, relax. Now relax. Don't do anything. Simply be in this very moment, now and here. Relax. Experience the silence after the meditation, after the process of mindfulness, after growing into the capacity of mindfulness. Experience the silence. Experience the silence. Now simply, if you think you have to dissolve this guided meditation, then simply with more awareness, gently and gradually, raise your both hands, join your palms together, and simply rub your palms on each other. Create some energy while rubbing hands, and place your palms over your eyes and simply gradually open your eyes within your hands while taking away your hands down, while opening the eyes, while taking away your hands down in Dhyan Mudra, while taking your hands down in Dhyan Mudra and looking at downward side in nowhere, in zero state, in relaxed manner. Relax. Now relax. Now open your eyes completely. Make yourself relax. Now relax. Thank you. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you so much. Now relax. Thank you so much.